Hello, welcome back. I am your host, Tayyib Akbar, and today we discuss about Bitcoin trading. Coinbase buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, SHIB, and Dogecoin, and more of cryptocurrencies. Or Coinbase is a very reliable uh, Binance buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, cryptocurrency. Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange, we operate the world biggest Bitcoin exchange and altcoin crypto exchange in the world by volume. Bitcoin open source P2P money. Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. Find all you need to know and get started with Bitcoin on Bitcoin.org. Bitcoin price, BTC price, index and live chart, Coindex 20. Bitcoin USD price, real time live charts, news and videos. Learn about BTC value, Bitcoin cryptocurrency, crypto trading, and more. Coindesk, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto news, and price data. The leader in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XPR, blockchain, DeFi, digital finance, and web market wrap. Bitcoin trading volume dips. Dogecoin rallies. Algorithm trading programs, Oxford said online course. Start trading right now. Trade Bitcoin, online trading and investment platforms. $10 minimum deposit, $1 minimum investment. Start trading now with our free unlimited demo account via the real course with education various investment type. How to invest money UK, how to invest money, stock trading in Canada, search stock trading in Canada, how to trade Bitcoin, learn about Bitcoin trading, step of trading Bitcoin, learn what moves Bitcoin price a Bitcoin trading style and strategy. Kraken Bitcoin cryptocurrency exchange, Bitcoin trading. Kraken is more than just a Bitcoin trading platform. Come see why our cryptocurrency exchange is the best place to buy, sell, trade, and learn about crypto. Bitcoin trading to earn money, when to buy or sell crypto. Ultimate Crypto Day trading course for beginners, crypto trading for beginners, introductions to Bitcoin and on Binance, Coinbase, Hoboi, Kraken, Bittrex, Gemini. Best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2022. Crypto stocks, best crypto wallets, Bitcoin trading platform, Bitcoin trading for beginners, Bitcoin trading apps, Bitcoin trading live, best Bitcoin trading platform, Bitcoin trading India. What is the Bitcoin trading and how does it work? Bitcoin trading price. Okay, these are the some keywords about Bitcoin trading. Okay, see you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.